Oh, it's on video. I thought it was welcome back to the Hollis Saver Garden. Many blessings to you all. I'm out here and I shouldn't be, but I just couldn't help it. I wanted to check on my garden. That is gone. But that's all right because I have some more down there. My lettuce. We just picked the cucumbers. These the mini me. I can't see it, and I really okay. There it is. That's a mini me cucumber. I had two. Where the other one go? Look at that. Yeah. And the tomatoes in the bucket are doing good. These are super sweet 100. It's already tomatoes coming on them. My cayenne peppers leaned over because they need to be staked. You guys know how it sometimes goes. Look at those tomatoes. Trying to get something going right now, a little makeshift going right now until I heal all the way. My goodness, guys. These cayennes are leaning over. I just had to show you the garden because I came out here and look at this sunflower. It's not a full tour, but it's something to give you guys. I think you need two blackberries, but I have flowers. I don't know. It's probably a blackberry in there somewhere that died and came down. Look at these peppers. What's on that? It's another one ready over there on the side at the bottom down there. Those are raspberries. Oh, look at that. Ooh, nice. It's another one under. Oh, those are beautiful. Those are the fall golds. It's rained like 3 days, and I'm so glad because I couldn't get out here. But look at these. Oh my goodness. The stems on these are so healthy. I'm so glad we did this garden like this. Look at that bursting. Oh, it's done. It was molding. Ew. Ew. That's why we came out because I'm like, I don't want everything. I can't let everything go bad, but I just can't get out here. I either got to heal. Why you ate it? Look at that. And they're so juicy. But guys, my goodness, I didn't expect these cayennes to lean over like that at all. Look at this sneak peek of the watermelons back there. Can you see that? Maybe not. It's such everything else. They're on the ground. I'm not going back there. I'll definitely hurt myself if I go back there. And then the cauliflower we're gonna get. I'm not going any further, but the cauliflower is over there. It's shoots of broccoli. Brussels sprouts are back there. Guys, my goodness. It is awesome. Then those peas are going crazy over there on that green stalk. I'm like, the trellis didn't do it any justice. The same with this cucumber. That trellis, it's like, it has it off the ground, but then it's still, that mini me is still on the ground. And it's on the second tier. I'm like, I'll put it on the first tier next time. But everything looks good. Everything looks good and healthy. And then that, of course, went to seed. That's the only one that is trying to go to seed, though, which is good. You can see that any better. Yeah. So that's good. And then my cucumber right there along the wall. Black currant still getting juicy. They're not ready yet. Oh, what was that? It was a bug. But I just wanted to come on and show you guys. I'm about to go back in and rest. Just a little sneak peek and update of the garden. I tried to get one. I'm gonna tell you guys. It's really funny. I tried to get one when I first 2 days after surgery and tried to get a video. It kept stopping and going because I'm about to fall over. So I was like, okay, I just got to make a post to tell the people I'll come out when I can. That video was so choppy. The broccoli looked good though, and it's gone. We ate that. But I just wanted to kind of show you and update you on what I can. Um, and this is it. This is all I got right now because I'm not going any further in. But we'll keep you guys posted and updated. And I want to go and rest. So like, share, subscribe, and most importantly, look at this eucalyptus. Oh wait. Oh no. I turned the camera around and didn't even know it. Lord. I'm leaving it too. That's funny. Like, Lord. Like, share, subscribe, and most importantly, grow. Well, these, wait, before we go, something with the, what was it? Earwigs eating my Cabernet peppers I grew. And they ate my super sauce. They ate my super sauce. Hopefully they make it. It's two left. Many blessings.